2024. It had its ups and downs, but it was a good year. I started the year off with the 330xi, Tundra, Trans Am, RX-7, RX-7, Mustang, and 300ZX. For part of the year, I briefly had the Jeep back. Then, I almost went all year without getting another car, and right at the end, I get the RX-8. The Jeep was off and on, and then I decided to part with it for good. I needed to thin the herd, so then I sold the 330xi. I also sold the Mustang shortly after. So I'm ending the year with Trans Am, Tundra, 300ZX, RX-8, RX-7, and RX-7. At the beginning of the year, the channel had 822 subscribers and 231 videos. The channel is ending the year with 1,284 subscribers and 507 videos. Over 460 subscribers and over 275 videos. Amazing. Overall, 2024 was great. I learned a lot. I collaborated with a few companies, which makes me feel good. My channel has shown the most growth to date, and I put out the most content to date. Stay tuned for more. I'm sure 2025 will be great as well.